You're welcome to ask now. So if you have any doubts or any questions from the previous session, okay, you can ask me now. I mean, like the related to yesterday's topic and all. General questions, you make a phone call to me, we can discuss, or leave a WhatsApp message, I can respond to you. Okay. And yesterday, what did we discuss about BPM tool? Okay, BPM model. Okay, and architectural components, and PEGA as BPM. So PEGA is being built based on, PEGA tool is built based on BPM model only. So PEGA is said to be BPM tool. So what are the architectural components? Four main architectural components of PEGA PRPC. Workflow. Yeah, what do you call business rules in PEGA? Business rules, what is the terminology in PEGA? Business rules is a general terminology. In PEGA, what is the terminology? PEGA rules. And you have workflow, PEGA rules. What else? Rule base. PEGA rules stores into rule base. And PEGA rules will be driven from rule base to environment by using a program that is called as process commander. So these are the four main architectural components in PEGA. Okay, so when you install PEGA, the PEGA environment that is running will have all these four will be running. Okay, and afterwards, here you go now. See, this PEGA rules process commander tool is called as BPM tool because it is built based on BPM methodology. So the tool, you can say, some people are going to say this tool as PEGA tool. Some people will simply say that this is PRPC tool. Some people say that PEGA BPM tool. All are correct only. Okay. So PEGA BPM, why you are calling? Because it is BPM model. PEGA PRPC, while you are calling, tool name is PRPC only. Tool name is PRPC. Why you are using PEGA always? Because in the tool name and company who has created this product, the name is PEGA only. Okay, PEGA Systems company. So that's why people simply call it as PEGA software like that. Okay. So PEGA, BPM, PEGA, PRPC. Three are same only. Okay. So we will start our session sharp 8 o'clock. Okay. So today what are we going to discuss is PEGA software installation procedure. Okay. I'll also give prerequisite system requirements. System requirements to install PEGA. So my team would have already shared you a message on your WhatsApp about all these things. They would have shared you. Yes or no? You received a WhatsApp message with system requirements, details and all. Okay, I'll clearly tell you once again here.
Hi, Harsha. Before you start the class, I have a quick question.
Go ahead, please.
So you said that we don't need to learn Java or anything before since Pega has everything. So my question is Pega has a lot of out of the box activities or functions, right? So there are, like, let's say if an activity has a Java step or anything, since we are not aware of what
First
it
thing
does.
is,
Mhm.
this is technical. Okay. But still, let me tell you, you never need to modify any coding written by Java. The reason is that is not allowed. That is strictly not allowed. Simply speaking, whatever he is asking may not be reachable to your mind because he has some idea he is asking. That is already defined component is there in Pega, which has some coding which is not suitable for me. What should I do? Should I modify? No. You should raise a request to Pega systems. This OTB feature is available, not 100% suitable to us. This is what we are expecting. Raise an SR. They will give you. You are not allowed to write any code, such code.
No, I'm not talking about changing to the existing final rule or anything, but let's say if I want to know what the Java says, or how do I know?
No,
Like, what
you
does
don't
it say?
need to learn. See, you need to focus only on functionality of it. You need to learn to understand some code when you want to modify it. Correct? If you want to modify a code, you need to understand how it is functioning. Yes or no? Step by step, you need to understand. If you
Yes.
want to know only about the functionality of a component, do you need to really bother about how it is designed? Let me tell you in a meaningful way. You have a bike, you own a bike. So you have a laptop now. So as a user, what do you need to learn? How to use a laptop. Should I
Yes.
have to learn what is the connection between motherboard and processor? How this connection is being made? What is the processing rate? Process? What cable should I use? Should I need to learn that?
No.
But you need to learn the functionality of the
Yes,
provided product
I
to
get
use,
it. So,
to use it for development. Don't
so
try to see inside, not required.
okay, another thing is like, let's say there are a lot of functions, right? So let's say there's a requirement that I need to create a new function, like out of the box function has Java code built in it. So let's say if I want to understand what does it do, or if I want to understand the function, it's in Java, right? So will I like, how do I know?
That's what just now I told. Whatever is there in Pega, you need not to bother about the coding steps. You need to only focus on its behavior, when to use it. You if you want to understand, only when you want to make changes, you are not allowed to make changes. Remember that. Okay. If you are expecting to be created immediately in your project, definitely you should have some Java resources to be allotted for that work. Not you. You should not do as a Pega developer. Okay. Because you are not creating something of an application which you have developed. You are trying to create something in an application which is developed by some other company. The whatever the component you create should perfectly sync in that product. Any problem is there, the entire product will get a problem, right? Product functionality will face an issue. Suppose you are modifying a car. When you modify a car, whatever the new components you place inside car, that should perfectly fit with the existing model of the car, right? Because of your modification, engine should not fail. Because of your modification, some other problem should not come. Yes or no? So that's why we have to be very much careful, because product is not developed by us. Who has clear idea to have such changes being fit properly into the product? The product developers. That's why it's always recommended to reach out to the product developers. Okay. Okay, so just keep that aside, don't think about it. Now today, what are we going to discuss about? See, last 2 days, this is day 3, right? This is day 3. So last 2 days, what did we discuss? So day 1 is an informative session, okay, where I have given you information about what is Pega basically, what is its purpose, and on top of it, I have gone through some document which has some general frequently asked questions, and I have given my responses to that particular doubts. So attending on day 1, you would have got basic idea about what is Pega and its purpose in the real world. And you might have many questions in your mind, like whether it is suitable for me or not, technical prerequisites, educational background prerequisite, and certifications to be done, job opportunities, and what is the how many months this training program, how many days a week, what are the weekdays, what weekdays it will be conducted, what material we will be providing from our end. All that information I have given on day 1. If any one of you have missed day 1 session, what you need to do? You need to go through the recorded video of day 1 session, which we have posted in a public domain. I told you, na, first 3 days we will post in public domain only. We will be posting it in shared drive. We will give access to only enrolled students. So like that. So that video, if you watch, day 1 will be covered, even if you have missed it. It's not mandatory or important to watch immediately. Whenever you get free time, you can watch if you have missed on day 1. The same is for day 2 also. Day 2, whatever we have covered about BPM model, Pega, relation between Pega and BPM and Pega architecture. These things, if you want to understand, if you are missed on day 2, go through the recorded video of day 2, which is posted in our YouTube channel. What is our YouTube channel? Where is it? Harsha Trainings. What is the YouTube channel? youtube.com Harsha Trainings Pega. What is that? So I request all of you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Harsha Trainings Pega. Okay, this YouTube channel, if you go, Harsha Trainings Pega YouTube channel, the recent videos, here you are getting no demo 2. Okay, videos, and you see demo 2. Okay, so 21 hours ago. Okay, and Pega demo 1 day ago. These 2 videos are last 2 days. I request all of you to subscribe to our channel, so that in future, if I make any interview sessions and all, I'll post sometimes. So the latest updates about Pega you will be automatically getting. Definitely any video posted by me, apart from demo videos and all, If I post a general video, that is going to be really important. Okay, for getting that particular thing, you just notification, you just go ahead. What is the type? That 85. I don't know, 85. What day in India now? India, it is day is, I'll tell you. This is Thursday. Thursday time is 8 o'clock. Okay, Monday to Friday India means Sunday to Thursday for other country. I mean like USA. Maybe other countries accordingly. You see. Here you go now. Here you go now. So that's what I want to tell you. Subscribe. I request all of you subscribe to our YouTube channel, that is Harsha Trainings PEGA. See, what is the information you're going? Is it only demo videos you will be getting from this YouTube channel? No. I have 14 hours of recorded sessions which covers interview questions plus answers of so many topics in PEGA, almost all topics, 14 hours continuously. And like 7 videos, each video 2 hours. That is really going to help you during your course process. Anytime if you want to know the questions and answers also, 14 hours. Apart from that 14 hours of videos, we also have many videos where I have attended as a candidate and given interviews, recorded videos. Someone else is taking interview. So many advanced level questions, architecture level questions are also, I have answered those. These are all going to really help you to understand how to present yourself in the interview, how to speak in an interview technically, and how to crack the interview with correct answers. This is one thing. And apart from these things, some topics, not everything is available in YouTube for sure. Okay. Some of the topics, its explanation about the topics is uploaded into YouTube. Not all. Few topics, few important, whatever I feel important. Those topics also you can revise from YouTube channel even after you lost access to the class videos after 7 months, 8 months, like that. After 8 months you are losing access, suppose. Still you have YouTube channel where SLA topics, many topics are being explained and videos are available. So that will really going to help you. So immediately or today, you are going to do a task of subscribing to our YouTube channel, and also please follow us. Please follow us on Instagram. Okay. So that is Harsha Trainings. Harsha Trainings. Okay. @Harsha Trainings. No. So Instagram also you please follow. Why you need to follow on Instagram? Let me tell you. Mainly job openings we will post on Instagram. Job opportunities and all. To our students, we wanted to make an announcement. We will give you in a group. Sometimes you will be missing the messages in group. So if you follow our Instagram, you will not get too many updates like entertainment channels. You'll get few updates only. So the few updates, whatever you get, definitely are going to be much helpful to you. If you don't have Instagram, create one for this purpose. If you don't want to create, that's okay, no problem. But if you already have Instagram, instead of following entertainment channels, better to follow channels like this. Understand? So that's what I just would like to tell you. Now, all of you should start working on PEGA. Means you should have PEGA software installed on your laptop. PEGA software installed on your laptop. So how do you get PEGA software installed on your laptop? How do you get it? So we will be giving you PEGA software. See, once again, I am telling every one of you, +919652532753 is our PEGA admin team number. Is our PEGA admin team number. Every one of you, whoever is attending this training program, every one of you, you must have this phone number being saved in your WhatsApp phone. What is the reason for that? The reason is, if you do not have this phone number saved in your WhatsApp phone, even though you have inquired with us, but you did not save this number in your WhatsApp phone, we will save your number, but we will not send you messages individually. It will be difficult to reach out to each individual by sending messages. WhatsApp has a restriction by itself reaching out to too many people individually. Maybe you are spamming people. That's what WhatsApp will understand. WhatsApp has provided two facilities: one group, another one broadcast. Group means you add only known people. You are not known to us by this time, right? After you enroll for our course, we consider you are known person to us. Now we are going to treat you as just an inquirer, and we will be adding your contact into broadcast. When we send, suppose 50 people we have added into broadcast and send a message, it will be delivered to only the people who have saved my contact in their phone. That's a broadcast way. So I request all of you to save this contact so that you will be receiving updates of this class recorded video, document after the class, all that for a few days. Okay, later we will create a WhatsApp group after the enrollments are over. Okay, so I request all of you to save this number in your WhatsApp phone. This is admin team number. Okay, everyone clear? And now you'll be receiving updates on this number. You'll be receiving updates. Our team by this time would have already been sent you. They would have already been reached out to you by sending messages through broadcast from this number. That is software download link, separate individual link they would have given you from drive, comma, installation instructions step by step. A video they would have given you, video. So in this video, ignore the point about downloading PEGA from website. So in the video, I have told that at one place I have told that download PEGA software from our official website, that we have removed. But along with this video message, we are also sending you one link. Directly you click on the link and download the software. That point you ignore. First to 10 minutes if you watch the video, that's it, over. 1 hour video, first to 10 minutes only steps of installation. Later installation process will run. Watch at the end. So anyone who blindly follows this video should be able to install the software. You know basics about computer. You don't need to take help of anyone. You know basics of computer. You have that software downloaded, and then you can install. See here now. See, go to, so you would have downloaded into downloads, right? From downloads, you copy that particular zip file. It is a zip file. So paste it into either D drive or C drive, your wish. You have only one drive, paste somewhere. What you will be pasting? Some PEGA software. Oh, I don't think so. I have it in my system. It occupies the space. That's why I might have removed it. Just let me check once. Okay, nowhere it is available with me. Okay, let me tell you. So after you download the software, okay, first system requirements also I'll tell you. System requirements, what are the system requirements? Listen to me carefully. Must be Windows operating system only. Windows operating system only. On Mac or Linux, you cannot install. One must have operating system, maybe whatever your laptop company, no matter. Windows operating system only. No other operating system you can install the home version. Okay, coming to the second point, that is, my recommendation is 8 GB RAM. 8 GB RAM. 4 GB is there? Okay, no problem. Okay, I'll tell you. If it is hard disk, if you are using hard disk, 8 GB RAM, 4 GB RAM also enough. Okay, when you are using SSD is a latest one, hard disk is a older one, older technology. If you're using SSD, 4 GB is okay in your laptop. If you are using hard disk in your laptop, then 8 GB. If you want to purchase a new laptop, anyone, for this reason, to learn these things and all, purchase with Windows operating system only, and purchase only with SSD. Do not purchase hard disk alone. Do not purchase SSD plus hard disk combination. 99% of laptops now are SSD only, but purchase with SSD. While purchasing, purchase 8 GB. If you are brand new purchasing, purchase 8 GB, that is better. Okay, and what else I have to tell you? Windows operating system, 8 GB RAM. Latest, brand new, if you are buying, buy with Intel processor only. Buy with Intel processor only. If you are buying brand new, if you already have AMD processor, okay, AMD Ryzen something is there, no problem. But why to go for something which is not okay? Buy something which is really having good reputation and good performance in the market. Intel has good performance compared to AMD, of course. So that's why I tell you, purchase Intel processor. So web version also you can use. I'll be teaching the web version with the latest version 24 after some time. You can use web version, but web version is always latest version. So, but you will not be working on latest version in the projects. I told you now, for next 1 to 1.5 year, you will be working on older versions, mostly 70%. So it will take almost 1.5 year to come to latest version by all clients. Okay. So Intel processor recommended for new purchase, new laptop purchase. So while you purchase new laptop, this is recommended. Okay. Already you have any other processor, no problem. So while you purchase new laptop, 8 GB RAM, you buy SSD. Okay. You already have hard disk, only 4 GB, increase it to 8 GB. You already have only 4 GB SSD, pretty much fair enough, no problem. Okay. Clear, right, everyone? So Windows operating system only, that's the main constraint, Windows operating system only. Next, PEGA software installation process. After you download PEGA, okay, it was told already in the video. Let me tell you, it is one-click installation. See, before PEGA, in the video, it was told you that install some database also. PG admin, Postgres database. So Postgres database, first install Postgres DB of any version. While I was making the video, it was told as some X version. Now they would have got some Y version. You don't have to ask me or check with me. I am not finding the version you told in the video. I'm finding this version. You don't have to come back to me and check with me. Latest version, whatever is there. See, if they mention 3 to 4 versions, okay, just give me 1 minute. Why don't I show you these things? Google.com PG, okay, Postgres SQL download. So as per the provided video navigations, you will be reaching out to this place, Windows, and probably here you are finding how many versions? Many versions, right? These are 32-bit. Just give me 1 minute. Downloads. Oh, I think this is not the page. They might have changed the page. Is there any link provided here? Okay. So this is a PGSQL. How many versions are there? 17.2, 16 and old version. So out of all the versions, okay, out of all the versions that you are finding here, oh, I think the same it is taking me to. Okay, direct link will be available. Direct link will be available in the video. Probably you can find there packages source something. This is not. Installers are there, but
You have the 64
64-bit
bit.
only.
Yeah, it's a 64 bit.
Yeah.
64-bit. Okay. Download the installer. Yes. Okay. Out of the versions that you find here, choose old version. Choose old versions. Out of the versions you find, which version you will go with? 64-bit older version for Windows, because we are using Windows. So you are seeing 17, 16, 15, 14. Which one you prefer? 14. You go with 14. That's the recommendation. Just I'm giving you. And then you install PEGA. And then install PEGA. After you install this, install PEGA. You, as per the video, single click on something. Next, finish. Okay, it will take minimum of 23 minutes. 23 minutes time it will take for anyone to come finish the installation and then bring up the server. So after your installation is over, while installation, one window will run. Apart from that, after installation is over, PEGA will automatically pop up one command prompt like this. It will keep on running. And also PEGA automatically pops up PEGA login screen. Login screen you got means installation is over. Okay, automatically it will come. That remaining windows you can close. But remember, this window you should never close. I will tell you why. Okay. Before I tell you why, in order to not to make you confused, okay. Just are you clear? After you install PEGA, automatically you'll get a login screen. That's it. Nothing more than that. Clear? Now listen to me carefully. Imagine you have closed everything. Suppose, maybe some of you might have already done installation. No? Imagine everything you have closed. No problem. How to work on PEGA environment day to day? That's what I am going to tell you. Okay. See, when you install PEGA, while we install PEGA, below are getting installed. Below are getting installed in your PC. One is PEGA product gets installed. దీనికన్నా ముందు I have to write Tomcat server. Tomcat application server will be getting installed. With single click, everything will be done. So second one, PEGA product will be installed and loaded on. Okay, PEGA product will be installed. And third one, again PG admin will be installed. And PG admin, what else? These things will get installed, plus Java will get installed. What else will get installed? Java gets installed because for compiler purpose. Okay, now so that gets installed. Okay, you don't have to see where it is and all. Now after your installation is over, okay, in order for your PEGA environment to be accessible, you should always start the Tomcat server. What you should do? Server you need to start. Generally, you have installed Microsoft Windows operating system on your laptop. Laptop or not? Start your laptop. Okay, once your laptop is started, your Windows operating system will get loaded into it. Yes or no? So now what you will do? Log into Windows operating system to work on it. Yes or no? Same process. So PEGA is going to be available on one server, that is Tomcat server. What is the server? Tomcat server. Now the process of accessing PEGA environment is how to access PEGA environment. How to access PEGA environment in your laptop. Real time it is not same. Real time it is just a URL they will give you. You copy paste the URL in browser, you will get login screen. Here, first step is on your desktop. After installation is over, after installation is done, on your desktop screen. Desktop means in your laptop home screen, you will be getting three icons. Three icons. What are the three icons? PEGA startup, PEGA login, PEGA shutdown. Same process. Look at here. It is like PEGA platform 8.7 something they are giving. If you look at here, startup. Yes or no? This one is login. This one is shutdown. I had kept it in one order, proper order. I have arranged these icons. You may be getting any order. You can arrange it like startup, login, like I have kept like that. So first thing what you need to do is you need to start the server. Step one is start the app server. For that you need to double click on startup icon. So PEGA startup icon is there, no? So that icon you will be double clicking on. What is going to happen when you double click on that? Here you go, double click on this icon. Okay, now you are stuck. Okay, for you will not get this additional screen confirmation. You will not get. Suppose if you get any additional confirmation screen, so take positive options from that. You will not get it. So for you, once you double click on startup, a command prompt will get opened like this, and thereby some commands will continuously run in this command prompt. So this process of startup may take 5 minutes time. Maximum how many minutes? So for you it will take sometimes 10 minutes. For the first time it may take even 15 minutes. No worry, you can wait. See, you keep on starting accessing PEGA environment for many days, cache will be created in your system. Going forward it will speed up. So for me it may take 5 minutes time, maximum 5 minutes it will take. For you on initial days of first 1 week, it may even take 10 to 15 minutes to finish the startup process. How do you know whether the server is started or not. By looking at these commands which are running in the command prompt, how do you know? At some point in time in the command prompt, you will be getting one message, server startup in so and so milliseconds, some 2 lakhs milliseconds, like that. You will see one message, but it will be difficult to find out that message as these messages are keep on scrolling, right? But let's wait for some time. Remember one thing, you should never close this command prompt as long as you want to work on PEGA environment. Closing this command prompt will not open PEGA environment. Understand? Simply closing this command prompt means you are shutting down the server. If you shut down the server, will you be able to access the application on server? You cannot access. If you shut down your laptop, will you be able to access Windows in your laptop? No. First you start your laptop, then start Windows and log into Windows. Correct? Same way, start the server, then log into the application. Work on for 1 hour, 1.5 hour, whatever it is. After you are working for 1 hour, 1.5 hour, log off from PEGA, then shut down the server. Tomorrow again, whenever you want to work on, same process you will repeat. Start up, log in, work for some time, shut down the server, and then go back to your laptop usage, and then again next time when you want to work on, repeated process. Start up after, what you will do, log into PRPC, that is double click on login, PEGA login icon, PEGA login icon. So you'll be double clicking on PEGA login icon. So after working for some time, once your work is over, log off from PEGA, then fourth step, double click on PEGA shutdown icon. The command prompt gets closed, so as long as you want to access and work on PEGA environment, this command prompt should never be closed. Instead, you can minimize the command prompt. Understand? Clear everyone? You can minimize the command prompt. Online students, everyone following? Am I clear, every one of you? Dinesh, what is the question?
No, sir. Nothing.
Good. So you need to give thumb when you understand. You need to raise hand when you have any doubt or question. Okay, raise hand symbol you have to use when you have a doubt. Thumb you need to use whenever you want to say I understand. Okay, now I'm not pretty much sure when it will get started. I'm not comfortable with this. I'm not understanding anything here. Suppose. So I don't have to wait for that message. I can simply double click on login. If login screen is displayed, means PEGA is started. If it is keep on running, means, see, it is not loading. Automatically open in a browser. Browser is still loading, right? That means still startup is pending. For me, it is not going forward. There is an issue. I don't know what is the issue. You may also face this type of issues. Okay, you may also face this type. Sometime, why I am facing this issue, you know? Previously, I have closed this command prompt directly. Yes or no? Should never close that. You should never close the command prompt directly. You need to close it in a healthy manner. Double click on shutdown icon. That will properly run the commands to bring down the server. But in order to show you startup, before that I have directly closed the command prompt. Means I have killed the server. I have killed the server process. When you come across such situations, you need to follow some workaround to start the server. Anytime, if there is an issue that your server is not getting up, okay, follow the workaround that I am going to tell you now. Okay, the process is what? Startup, login, work on PEGA, and then now I'll start up and show you anyhow. When you face an issue, what are the default credentials to login? Username is equal to, username is administrator for every one of you @pega.com, and password is install. See, remember this, all small letters only. Password is case sensitive. Username is okay, anything capital or small, no matter. administrator@pega.com. Okay, pega.com, username, password. Now, what is the workaround? I am going to do one thing. The workaround you need to follow, I'll tell you. Whenever you face an issue of server, whenever there is a server startup issue, okay, it is not starting properly, please follow below workaround in your laptop. Okay, what is the workaround? You know, see, you might have installed PEGA either on C drive or D drive or E drive, your wish, whatever the drive into which you want to install. You might have installed somewhere, you know that. At the time of installation, you will be choosing the drive to install, C drive, D drive. The drive in which you have installed PEGA software, you will be finding one folder. The folder name is, why I am not getting that folder? This is something strange. Hold on. I installed in C drive or what? This is the folder. Why I'm not able to see this? Okay, the folder name is what? PRPC personal. This folder, when you install PEGA, this will be created automatically by PEGA PRPC installation process. So if you are not able to start the server, what is the process to be followed is close that command prompt. If it is not starting, close the command prompt, close everything related to PEGA. Come to the drive where you have installed PEGA, find out a folder PRPC personal. Open this folder. In this folder, you will find another folder called Tomcat. What is it? Tomcat. Come here. Here, Kafka, with name Kafka, 2 folders are there, out of which I am talking strictly about Kafka data. This will be again created. This folder, temp folder, work folder. How many folders total? 3. You can delete these 3 folders. You can delete these 3 folders: Kafka data, temp, and work folders. Okay, delete means permanently you can delete. Better you always delete to move into recycle bin. By mistake, if you delete any other folder, PEGA will not work. Okay, I have done shift delete. You do recycle bin. Any mistake is there, you can restore those. Once you delete these 3 folders, 99.99% damn sure that server should start properly this time. Okay, no need to bother about another server is running here. Just let it be, no problem. So I will wait for some time. Server should get started now for sure. That's what I'm expecting. Okay, so when would you be following this workaround? Go to folder, this one. See, for me it is D drive. For you it may be D drive or E drive or any drive. That is different, but remaining things are same for you. In the Tomcat, in this Tomcat folder, you will be finding 3 other folders. 3 other folders. What are those? Kafka data. Second one, temp. Third one, work. You can delete all the above 3 folders. Then start server. Server should get started now. It will get started for sure. There's no doubt about it. It must start for sure. Okay, I'll wait for some time for the server to be started now. So server isn't starting. So how do you know whether it is started or not? It is very simple. Go here and after waiting for 5 minutes, double click on login. Keep on loading means server is still coming up. Server is still coming up in my case. It is still running. Once the server is up here, login screen you'll see automatically. So you don't need to wait to see the message here. You just need to wait on this window. It will load the login screen after 5 minutes or 10 minutes. See, if you are working in morning time, so after your practice of 1 hour is over, better do not shut down the server every time. Minimize it and go with other work. Minimize it and go with other work on your laptop. Today once, on the whole day, multiple times if you log in and work, you can work on it. So today once everything is over, before you shut down the laptop, stop the server and then shut down your laptop. Tomorrow again start up, like that. Sometimes you may not be getting shutdown being done properly, you may not be seeing shutdown. Sometimes what I'll do is I'll directly close, follow the workaround, I will start again, I will be starting again. Okay, so it is taking time even for me also, no problem, let it be taking few minutes time. So that is about software download, installation, starting the PEGA environment. I am eager to show you the PEGA environment once it is started or not. So now I can log in using, for all of you, same credentials. Default credentials are administrator@pega.com. Password is install. So why you need to log in? Just to experience whether you're able to log into PEGA or not. Spelling mistakes, you don't do it. Okay. So administrator@pega.com. Password is install. Okay, you logged in, right? Password is install. You logged in. So afterwards, as a beginner on day one, what you do? You cannot do anything, right? You just need to, at the left bottom corner, you just see here, click on the icon. Like in your Gmail, top right you have a circle, no? Gmail, top right. Similarly, exactly opposite diagonal, left bottom you'll have one circle. Click on that, choose log off for now because you are a new developer. After log off, if you want to shut down the server, shut down. Done. Once we start learning PEGA, you will be doing this task repeatedly. How about real time? In real time, if you join a project, they will provide you one laptop. Are they going to install PEGA on your laptop? No. So suppose you are 4 developers in your project. 4 developers, each developer will get one laptop provided by your company. PEGA will not be there in your laptop. PEGA will be installed in a server. They will install PEGA in one server. The server URL they will give to all developers, username, password. You just need to have internet connection for your laptop in real time. Okay, and then open the browser, give the URL, log into PRPC and work on it. Here in home version, do you need internet connection to work on PEGA environment in home version? No internet, no need. So install PEGA on your personal PC, start up, work on it. To work on PEGA platform in your personal laptop, you do not need internet connection. Only to connect to the classes during online time, you need internet connection, right? So to work on PEGA software, you don't need internet connection. For your information, this is a standalone product on your laptop. Like in your laptop, if you want to open any, suppose you installed a game in your laptop, to work on, to play the game on your laptop, do you need internet connection? No, because that is already there in our laptop only, right? Same way PEGA, when you install on your personal laptop, no need to have internet connection. We need internet connection when we work on some business requirements where we communicate with some other systems over the web. Email integration you are working on, only that time you need internet connection to make sure that practical is working. Okay, if you want to send email, you need internet connection or not? But as of now, you don't need. Yes, someone has raised their hand. What is the doubt or question? Do you have any doubts or any questions?
So when we are working in real-time project, do we work compulsory on the web version or it depends on the project?
No. See, anywhere in real time is browser only. Browser only. Is asking a question that is, it's coming that I can't reach the page. I told you now, any issue, you can't reach the page. I also got no few minutes. I can't reach the page. Any issue, follow this workaround. Done. It will be done. Close everything. Follow this workaround. Delete all these 3 folders properly. Don't be so hurry and delete other folders. If you by mistake delete other folders permanently, there is no other go. We have to reinstall PEGA. Suppose if you have worked on PEGA for 1 month, unfortunately you lost PEGA PRPC from your laptop, everything will be lost. So if you are working on PEGA some laptop, if you want to change your laptop, in the second laptop brand new, you need to install PEGA software. whatever the work you have done in first laptop, we can move it to second laptop. Contact me, I'll help you. Okay, by mistake if you lose it, system corrupted, we can't do anything. What is the best thing I can do is I can give you whatever I developed in my laptop, I can upload into your laptop. But whatever you have done, I cannot bring it back if anything corrupted or you delete other folders other than these three. Okay, please make sure, be careful. Clear, every one of you clear? See, whatever I have told you today, I know that this is not a technical thing, but it is my duty, I have to explain you all of these things. Okay. Subject, you will come back to me so many times. Now she came back asking me, can't reach, you also come back after some. Better I will give you the steps telling you that follow these things done. Kafka, only be careful. Kafka data, Kafka some version number, that folder you don't touch. Kafka hyphen data only delete. Always you right click and delete, it will move to recycle bin. If you find you by mistake deleted some other folder, you can go to recycle and restore it. Okay, I am doing shift delete, but you don't do that. Okay, so now what are we going to learn? What are we going to learn during our course with respect to development? So what are we going to learn with this course? During this course journey, of telling you about application and all, but time is not there. Better we will start, give a fresh beginning tomorrow. Okay, what are we going to learn? So what are we going to learn is we are going to focus on learning scratch from the development, scratch development from zero. Okay, so we'll be working on developing. So we are going to work on developing real-time project. Okay, everything in a manner of scratch development plus debugging. Okay, enhancements plus we'll be learning troubleshooting, auto, that is what, car rental project, personal loan project, that is covered post training. And additionally, if you want, I have hardware request management application. So the two projects whatever I have mentioned at the very beginning, no, these two you will be working on parallelly. First project I'll be teaching you everything from the scratch, I'll give you screenshots and all. Second project I'll give you requirements. With the knowledge that you have gained from first project, you would be working on second project. Understand, clear everyone? And one thing is, what is the learning methodology that you need to follow? Every one of you, see, while you are learning, after the session is over, after the live session is over, so in order for you to learn, see, first thing you need to go through class running nodes. Okay, review. So after you listen to the class, you do not directly start practicing by going through the screenshot. So I do not recommend the approach of copy paste work. See, if you blindly follow screenshots and do, you will get the output for sure. Properly if you follow, you'll get output for sure. If you have attended class, you have seen navigations what I am doing here, and if you are going to blindly follow the document of screenshots, you will be able to get it, but you will not gain any knowledge. This is the reason why I do not want you to parallelly implement during the class. You need to do only afterwards. See, review the class running notes. Class running notes, whatever I am going to give you, first open. I'll share you multiple resources. Running notes document you open and go through it. When you go through it, you will get automatically everything revised, whatever you have listened in the class. After this is over, then I will be sharing one more document of detailed theory document. Theory. So go through the detailed theory document that is been provided to you. Theory document, at least you go through it twice. Means for the first time when you go through it, you will be able to understand up to 70%. So I am only giving you what is the methodology of learning for you. You don't go by your own methodology unless you are going to find comfortness in learning the subject. Follow this process. Everyone follow this process only. It will not take more than 1 hour to 1.5 hours to do all this in a day, because you have already attended live session. Suppose if you have missed to attend the session, your first step will be watching the recorded video. First step is going to be watching a recorded video if you miss to attend the session. Now, next, third step is go through the detailed document. That's the second step. Go through the detailed theory document, second step. Next, go through the practical document, which is provided to you, step-by-step process, step-by-step screenshots provided. No, go through that particular document. You go through it twice. To understand the requirement and the implementation way. What is the approach you need to follow to implement? What is the input you need to provide? What is the output finally you are expecting? Before you start your hands-on PRPC environment, you should have a clear picture and idea about the journey of construction. Okay, so do not blindly start your practical. Go through the document twice. When I say, you are doing the practical in your mind, not on the environment. So practical document you open. If I want to achieve this requirement, this is what today Harsha told me. So what is he doing exactly? I want to recollect. Go through screenshot by screenshot and try to understand step by step construction. Twice you go through, you will clearly able to understand. Before you start your real hands-on on your PEGA platform, you will have a clear picture about what you need to construct, how you need to construct. That picture will be there in your mind. Before you construct a house, what to construct, picture should be there in your mind. Otherwise you cannot construct blindly, correct? So before you start doing hands-on practical, make sure that you have the steps, everything is there in your mind. Do not by heart. Understand, it will be there. While doing the hands-on practical, you are allowed, okay, to revise the practical step-by-step document here and there if you are trying to, if you are missing something. Now as a fourth step, what you do? So now log into PEGA. Now you log into PEGA, do hands-on practice. Do hands-on practice. Understand clear? This process everyone must follow. Everything you need to go in the same order. Once your practice is over, hands-on practice in a test application, in a what do you call? So we have regular application and practice application. In a practice application, same practice you repeat step 4. Repeat step 4 in regular class application, whatever the application I am mentioning name in the double. So doing it second time, you will get it perfectly. Doing it second time, first time when you are doing practical, no, here and there you may look into the document step by step. Second time you should not see. That's what you need to say yourself strictly. Okay, next sixth step is, once it is over, go through interview question and answers document provided to you. That is topic by topic, topic wise I have provided you. Topic wise document I will provide you after some time. Otherwise you do this. Review, not go through. As a seventh step, review that, because answers also will be there. No, don't go to answers directly. Go through interview questions document of the day, respective day, and topic. Prepare answers. Prepare answers by yourself. No one can stop you being a master in PEGA if you follow this. So repeat step 4. Step 5 is repeat step 4 means what? Log into PEGA and do practice on practice application. Repeat step 4 means log into PEGA and do hands on. But in your regular application you are doing. See, I will teach you application. No. Similarly, you will create one more application. See, for practice purpose. First practice you do in practice application. Second practice you do in the application which I am telling. Two names. HDFC one name, ICICI one name. ICICI is practice, HDFC is the original one. Like that I am telling. Understand clear? See, for overall to follow this, initial days it may take 1.5 hour time. But as you start gaining the knowledge in PEGA, your confidence level will be improved. And also, going forward, because you have knowledge about the previous things, your understanding will speed up. Your ability to understand the concept will automatically speed up, and you'll remember so many things already you have done, right? So your practice also will speed up, and when you go through the document, each word understanding also, everything will speed up. So going forward, it will not take more than 1 hour. Initial days, if you spend more time in learning, going forward after 15 days, 20 days, you'll find the difference. You'll be able to finish everything within less span of time. Make sense? Clear, everyone? So I have clearly drafted and given you because I want you to strictly follow this. Whoever is going to spend proper time on initial 15 days crucial time starting from tomorrow onwards, if without missing even one day that preparation, if you follow first 15 days strictly, the rest of the days 3.5 months will be just a cakewalk. If you neglect to do day by day on initial days, everything will be gone. Entire course you will be losing. For sure, there is no doubt about it. So make sure you arrange your laptop max by next Tuesday. Max by next Tuesday. But I hope all of you have laptop by this time. Make sure you get it ready max by tomorrow evening or Saturday evening. Max. Sunday will not be available, right? So max by Saturday evening, make sure you get ready with your laptop installed and ready to work on it. Okay. Tomorrow will be a theory session actually, where I am going to take up the first session explaining you about what is an application that we are going to create in PEGA, what are the different types of applications, advantages like framework and implementation, advantages of framework plus implementation application architecture, and practical also same. Whatever I explain you theoretically and explain you conceptually, the same we are going to implement as a practical requirement during the class time. So I have a Mac and Windows not installed. Can I use? See, if you want to use web version, you are very much welcome to use web version, but that is the latest version. I request you to get a Windows laptop from your friends or someone and use it. Okay. So otherwise, at least if there is a possibility to install Windows on your Mac laptop, somehow you get that done and install PEGA on Windows. Okay, but make the arrangements immediately. Okay. See, yesterday I have covered this question, Rajendra. Whatever the question that Rajendra is asking, he is asking a question. Learning PEGA 8.7. How about working in future versions? I already told you yesterday, day before yesterday, I believe. So here you are going to learn PEGA 8.7 plus PEGA 24.2, both versions, in an approach that you will be able to work on previous versions starting from 6.2 of PEGA till current version plus future versions also. You will be able to work on it very well without any issues. Jan 24. Today I thought I could start the PEGA application concept, but time is not sufficient. That I'll start tomorrow. Okay. And it's M3 chip and do not support Windows. Intel Mac used to support it. Okay. So yeah, there is no other go. You need to arrange Windows laptop, or you should start working on PEGA 24 itself. You should be able to work on PEGA 24 in the online version also. That's okay if you wish to go with that for some days. and then get your laptop. Meanwhile, maybe take a laptop for rent, okay, for a few months and then use it. Okay, otherwise buy a laptop, Windows operating system. Okay, clear everyone? So are you clear? Did I provide you clear cut information about how you need to do? Go through it, and especially every one of you should take these notes into one notebook. These points you note down in your notes. We need one notebook also. When you are attending regular classes, you need a notebook in your hand. It is not to write the regular points, it is to write only business requirements. It is to write only business regularly. Whatever I am explaining here, you don't need to write. Maybe some points, if you feel those are important, you'll write. That's up to you. Okay, you need to have a notebook or Word document you create on your desktop. Write these things in notebook for sure. Anytime before you sitting, you want to sit before your laptop, open the notebook, follow that steps in the same order. What is the PEGA version about to install on your laptop? The version that we are going to provide you is 8.7. That's what I told you already. You are installing that version on. Okay. So while we install PEGA, I'm getting error. See, anytime your installation is, if you face any issues during, after you give a try, don't come to us directly. After you give a try, if you face any issues during PEGA software installation process, please call on +91 9652532753 between 10 a.m. IST to 5 p.m. IST, because it will take half an hour time, okay, between this time, and or Saturday. This is Monday to Friday. This is Monday to Friday. On Saturday, you reach out to us 10:30 a.m. IST to 4 p.m. IST. People from USA, if you face any issue, okay, people from USA, if you face any issue, leave a WhatsApp message with a screenshot, comma, screenshot, leave a WhatsApp message with screenshot and your available time. Leave a WhatsApp message with your screenshot and mention that you from USA. Okay, then so our team will review this and they will be in touch with you to connect with your laptop and do this on your free time. Maybe the time whatever that they can adjust, they do it. So you should install it on PG admin or Postgres. Both are same. PG admin server. Okay, both are same. And here you go now. So that's the process you need to try and follow. Classroom, if you're a classroom student, after you try, if there is a failure, bring your laptop directly. And I request all of you, please have this software installed on your system. Ultra Viewer screen sharing software. What is this one? Screen sharing software. Why you need this? In sometimes while you are practicing PEGA, you face some issues. You need a help. It's not been possible by phone call or WhatsApp something. We want to access your machine and do it. And for PEGA software installation also, you need same software. No, that's why every one of you have this Ultra Viewer screen sharing software installed. We don't use that. What is that? AnyDesk we don't use because that has some issues. Ultra Viewer, everyone please have this also installed. And another recommendation is uninstall any unwanted softwares that you might have installed during sometime you need some software quickly you would have installed. Going forward you're not using, free up your laptop, uninstall unwanted software. Games or anything games are there in your laptop, with no second thought, shift delete. Okay, movies, songs, no second thought, shift delete from your laptop. Okay, make sure it is running pretty much fine. Okay, so don't put button. That's it for now. It is 9 o'clock. We will continue tomorrow to look into our first session of understanding what application creation in PEGA. First thing we need to create application. No? So the required technical aspects related to application creation, I am going to explain you tomorrow. After the clear-cut explanation of what is application, types of application, framework, implementation, advantages, complete understanding once I have given, we will start with hands-on. Okay. So don't ask me anything. Sometimes you do whatever I say. I said you download and install PG admin, download, install. That's it. You are a beginner. Okay. You will come to know slowly going forward. Okay. No need too much think about something which is really unnecessary. Okay. Today's video obviously you'll be getting, but I want you to give a homework to every one of you. Take a notebook, write down these steps in your notes in first page. That should be opened every time when you're going to sit for the practical and follow it strictly. Understand? If you do like that, no one can stop you from becoming a master in PEGA. No one can stop you. Your interview preparation also will be done from day one. From day one itself, your interview preparation. Okay, everything will be done. Okay, so I'm going to close the meeting. Thank you for joining. So we are going to continue tomorrow using the same meeting link. Okay, it's again free link on day 4 also, as I have not started any first session at least. So tomorrow also free session only. You come down to the classroom, students come down to classroom, online students connect online. Tomorrow we are going to get into PEGA environment. Nitin, do you have any questions? Someone, Nitin or someone? You have raised your hand. Today's video you'll be getting. Request the admins for video if you are not getting regular updates. And people should come on time to the class, should join on time to the session. Okay, joining at 8:05, 8:06, coming at 8:10. It's not recommended. And if any such thing is there, just please avoid it. Okay, strict toward timings. 8 o'clock on dot will begin. There's no doubt about it. 9 o'clock I'll wind up at any cost. Doubts clarification, I'll tell you the process later, not now. Anyhow, there are so many resources that I'm providing. Okay, I'm going to close the meeting. Thank you for joining everyone. We'll continue tomorrow.